Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something new. I have a ring light. I finally have a ring light, so now you're gonna get more videos. I have everything that I need to make more videos. Actually, for being honest, I have the computer software, I have the lights, backgrounds. I finally have a cute enough background in my room, kinda. Excuse my bed, but for the most part, actually, let me just, I like that better. Okay, for the most part, I have everything that I need. But today we're gonna go ahead and jump into my spring summer favorites that I bought throughout quarantine and that I've been using throughout quarantine. That's really what this video is about, y'all. That's all that is about. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Different camera. Sorry if it looks darker than what it is in here. I'll turn on the light if that helps. Anyways, let's go ahead and continue on with my favorites. Next, we have hand sanitizer. Please use hand sanitizer. That's all I have to say about that. Coronavirus favorite are these earrings. You see them? So pretty, so pretty. They're like flowers and they're gold. Only thing that I don't like about them is that they hurt. I got these at Fashion Nova because I thought they were really cute and I was bored one day last year and I bought them and I'm finally wearing them in the summertime. And they're really cute. I love them so much. Next, we have my janeiro hats. It just came in, first of all. Look. Love that for me. It just came in and I love it. It's of a lotus, has her name on it. It's just amazing. Our next favorite is the Bum Bum Cream. You guys, why didn't anybody tell me that it smelled this good and felt this amazing? As you can see, I've been using it. Hold on. But I've been using it. I have it on right now. It smells delectable. I don't want their new one because it's coconut based and I don't like coconuts. But this one, Bum Bum Cream, y'all did that. My diff glasses, like their prescription and everything. My diff glasses, I have two pair. This is one that I haven't worn yet. And then these are the ones that I've been wearing lately. Ain't they cute? I'm gonna keep them out for the rest of the video. Is that okay? No, it's actually not okay. Like it's a distraction. It's distracting me. You can't even see me because it looks like I got those glow sticks on my glasses. But yeah, they're super cute, super durable. Now into the makeup of my favorites. Okay, these are some new products that probably came out a while ago or they just came out recently. Either way, these are ones that I've been using. So we have Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. You guys, the first time that I tried it, I actually hated it, but now it's my best friend. We go way back. We go way back. Like, we just vibe and everything. Next we have is my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in Fussy. I like the one in Fussy. I actually like all of them. I have it. It's so loud. I have all of them. I have every single gloss bomb. Next from Fenty Beauty we have her foundation, the hydrating one, the Longwear the hydrating Longwear foundation. This in 320 is my color. We love her. She helps with my dry skin. Like, it doesn't help me with my dry skin, but I have dry skin, and so when I put it on, I don't feel like my skin is gonna fall off and my face doesn't feel itchy. Like, it's just really good foundation. I love it. Too Faced in the color Chocolate Soleil. Chocolate Soleil. It looks like it's my exact skin tone when you open it and actually look at it. Like, look. It looks like my skin tone, but it's actually a bronzer on me. Next, my two favorite mascaras at the time, at the moment, and I don't think it's gonna change. The Perversion one by Urban Decay and the new Lash Brag by Anastasia Beverly Hills. You guys, competitors, but they are best friends because I love both of them, and they better love each other because they have no other choice other than to get along and like each other. That's all I'm gonna say. If they have a problem with each other being my favorites, then fine by me. I don't care. And a new favorite is this ring light that I just bought today. We love it here. We love it. Oh, another lotion that I like. This is just turning into a video of things that I like. But no, really, I bought this The Body Shop moisturizer. Yeah, the moisturizer and shea butter, and I bought one in strawberry, and the shea butter one, girl, you could just like lick it, you could just like eat it. It smells so good. I haven't smelled it in a minute, but it smells so good because I've been using the Bum Bum cream. But these two competitors, they're not best friends. They hate each other actually. Okay guys, that's it for my 2020 spring summer favorites. I don't know what this video is gonna be called, but that is a few of my things going on. Another one of my favorites is my iPhone. I have the 11 Pro Max. It don't count, but I'm just saying I love my phone. It's kind of bomb. Okay, go ahead and like, subscribe, please subscribe. We want to get to 100 subscribers. We're only 12 people away. Even if they're fake, just join. We could be a family here, you know. We could be like that. Just grow with me, you know. We're getting better at uploading and everything. So why not just subscribe and like the video? Comment below if you want to talk about anything. I'll reply. I'm on my phone all day, every day. So if I see you comment, I'll be like, oh look, reply. You know, that's just how it is. But thank you for watching. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye. Every time I buy something from Best Buy, like this ring light, I get a Shutterfly code and I just forget to use them. This time, I hope that I don't forget, because that's some good quality printing that I could be getting for free. You know what I'm saying? But here I am, a clown.